Hello everybody, hope this finds you well. Michael Clark here with BAM Weather and the Weather Portal. Wanted to take a second and just show you some of the latest features and tools here the Weather Portal offers, along with just how to use it. The basic functionality here for some of the things that you're paying for. So this is the dashboard or the home screen. You can see we have multiple locations here, one being all clear, one not being all clear, right? Showing an alert. I click on that location. It'll populate the hour-by-hour forecast for me. In this particular instance, I'm looking at the iPad view. You can do phone, tablet, whatever the case may be, desktop as well. But you'll notice I clicked in on the alert. This alert would have been sent to your device instantaneously as a push notification. Very quick, too. These come very, very quick to you. And they'll tell you what the alert is. This today is for wind with scattered showers and things of that nature. And then you can see here in the hour-by-hour forecast, we are showing that. Kind of look at the conditions here. In this version of the hour by hour, you have your temperature forecast, your sky condition, the chance of precip, and the spray forecast. This red icon means conditions are not favorable to spray, and that's due to the wind and all the rain in the forecast. Let's see, say we see an hour that we want more information. We simply click on it. It takes us to the expanded desktop screen, an hour by hour forecast out to 36 hours that updates every hour. You're going to get cloud cover percentage, the probability of rain. You can see the icon here shows a thunderstorm with gusty winds being possible. All right, low chances, but there. Okay, dew point temperature, feels like temperature, and the air temperature again along with wind and visibility, all the way out to 36 hours. If I tap the liquid tab, it changes to ice or it changes to snow, and then back to liquid. Again, this updates every hour. Current conditions across the top. This is just what are the current weather conditions, and this updates here every few minutes with sky conditions, temperature, wind, dew point. Rainfall the past 24 hours is location specific to the address you have put into the application, along with snow. The 10-day forecast is newly redesigned with a ton of information. We're going to start with day-by-day sky condition, high and low temp, your wind, your sustained wind, and your gust. And then you have your AM and PM precip chances, the minimum and maximum precipitation forecast. That's because we're using multiple weather models to come up with that forecast for you. Snow and ice, relative humidity, and then our ag metrics. We have growing degree units, evaporative transpiration rate, soil temperature forecast, the top 4 inches of the soil, dew point temperature for the day, and the daily spray forecast index. Okay, you can see on Sunday you might have a window, and Saturday you might have a window, but we're looking at caution here. We also have, it'll be green if we were to have it. Last year conditions, these are the high and low, the precip and the GDUs that occurred at this location last year. And then these are the averages. This is what the normal is for that location. The probability table will tell you what the percent chance of occurrences are. You can tap on this for rain, temperatures, snow, ice, and it'll give you an idea of what some of the more extreme weather models are saying for the potential for heavier rain, or heavier snow, heavier ice, warmer or colder temperatures, so on and so forth. The video tab, if there's an orange light, that means there's a new one. You tap on that, you press play, and you watch the latest video forecast here from our meteorologists that talk about the weather for the region. These are updated multiple times per day as well. The next function here is the radar tab. Now this is a high resolution MRMS precipitation type radar that updates every 2 minutes. Most radars out there, in fact probably all of them, do not have an update frequency of 2 minutes. And the great thing about this one too is the ability to pan and zoom down into really street level. But just look at the crisp high resolution depiction here of the radar. Now what I want to show you real quick too is also the ability to look at rainfall. Now you can look at observed rainfall, and essentially what this tool here is going to help you look at, how much rain has fallen almost anywhere you want to go. I'm going to kind of move this over real quick here for you. And we can zoom down into street level with this, or to field level, essentially. You go down here to the Layers tab and change it to the satellite base map. And then you're just going to zoom in. And you can literally zoom down into anywhere you want and start clicking on this map. And it's going to give you rainfall totals. It might be for 48 hours, it might be a 24-hour or a 7-day rainfall total. And these rainfall totals do a great job. They really eliminate the need for even having a weather station anymore, if you ask me. Now, the other tool, there's multiple things that can happen here. We have storm tracks, Okay, you can click on the storm tracks, get more information. There's all kinds of different layers. We have the future layer, which will give us forecast radar images. Okay, kind of tell us what the radar is going to look like out ahead of time. The forecast radar will go out here 18 hours in 30-minute increments. Okay, and you can kind of see as we play this, we get just future views here of the radar, and it kind of helps us time out where the storm's going to go, what direction they're going to move, or what the radar is going to look like. So a very neat tool here as well. Now, go back here to the home screen and take a look at some of the other features just very quickly. We have our Maps tab. The Maps is rainfall, 24-hour, 7-day rainfall. Okay. And the moment you're looking at it, it's 24 hours out. It updates every hour. We have the 7-day rainfall map for the country, and then snowfall as well. And then we have our 3 to 7 day hazardous weather map, impactful weather outlook, big cold coming in this video. And then we go down here and we have our day 1 severe weather and excessive rainfall forecast risk. This is our long range tab. So this is where you're going to find all the analysis here for the long range videos, the long range outlooks, week 1, week 2, week 3 and 4. And then if you have the option in the bottom right here, this is the ability to talk to a meteorologist at any time. This is our chat function. All right, and this here essentially is your ability to talk to us, ask us questions, interact with us. If you've got a question about a forecast or a previous weather event or whatever the case may be, this is the ability for you to interact with us, find out questions, figure out what you're going to do for your day. So that is a quick rundown of the Porthole and all of its features and all the things it can do for you. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to reach out to us. We appreciate you checking this out and your support. Have a great day. Let's see if we can